all these incidents started after the Panchayat president came to the vaccination center, and he asked me to give vaccination to a bunch of people he brought with him. Actually, I told him that today's vaccination session is over and we cannot give vaccination to further other people. And we had no vaccine in stock as well. He demanded me to take vaccine from the palliative pool. That's the pool of vaccines we have kept reserved for the bedridden patients. And we have scheduled vaccination of these bedridden patients at their bedside itself. So in our Panchayat, we have about 90 bedridden patients, and Kainagiri is like a flood-prone Panchayat, and every year these bedridden patients, not these patients, who were there in the Panchayat as bedridden, they will be taken to some safety homes like an auditorium or somewhere. And in view of the pandemic, if we shift them to a hospital, a facility, without giving them vaccines, they are actually not having any protection. So the death toll will be very high, and I told him that I don't want to increase the COVID death in our Panchayat. So he told me that he can take care of that. You give vaccination to these people I have brought with me. Otherwise, you or nobody else from this hospital will go out of this Panchayat. And he brought with him 20-25 people. They closed the door of the vaccination facility and they stood there blocking the way. They told that nobody will go out. Then we were actually not into any kind of provocation mood, so we went back to our work, like rescheduling our vaccination for the next day in view of all these things. So at that time, they made us hostile for about 3 hours. And after that, even after 3 hours, they came to know that we will not go and provoke them. They came to my room. They blasted my room and grabbed my neck and tried to pull me out into the mob and assault me. Somehow, luckily, I was able to get back to my room and close the door. And somebody informed the police, and the police came to the situation. And they ushered me to the safety with the police escort from a hospital. I was working there for the past 5 years. One thing I want to make clear that the COVID vaccine is the only tool we have to battle the pandemic. See, we don't even have approved antiviral drug. So the only tool is COVID vaccination. And please let the public healthcare experts take decision on that. Then only we can control the pandemic. This is not a public distribution system. This is not something the beneficiaries are selected based on their politics, based on their caste, based on their locality. This is a public health system, a public health issue. So the tool should be used by a subject expert. So otherwise, this is going to be a very disastrous situation that many people who needs vaccination to save their own life will not get the vaccine. So that decision should be very, very crucial. So please cooperate with the healthcare workers. And one more thing I want to add, that we have been working for the past 1.5 years without any eligible leaves. So it's like we are like a burning candle. The mental health, the physical health of a healthcare worker is like a burning candle. It cannot give light to the society forever. We are burning out.